Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on DashCam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
Q 1934, plate number 687636.
How they did?
They absolutely do. And again, investigated, and met with us after the investigation. They told my wife that 95% of what she had testified to was true, and that the other 5% could not be corroborated. And to me, what's really sad is that the district, when this teacher left, gave her a glove.
Come on, mother.
line. This is Kevin Atkerson, the senior finance officer over here. How are you doing today?
Hello?
Hello?
Are you helping me with all of this now?
First of all, I need to ask you that whom I'm talking to.
Oh, yes. My name's Anita Knapp. And I go by Edna, my middle name. And this is my granddaughter.
Pop out of nowhere. That's how accidents happen, man. Hey,
Video
shit.
protected.
People don't give a
Yellow, you're on your own lane. You're on your lane. Fucking idiots don't even. See, he ain't even slowing down. Fucking idiots don't even. I told you, didn't I? Stupid fuck. Look at him getting over. You can't wait till the last damn second. Oh, fuck, Rocky. He's getting over. If he was to play games. Stupid fuck. Right there. You were up that stage, you would have seen that one. Yeah, he knew. He just stays back there. He fucking got off a lot. Yeah. Stupid that is.
Lousy. Fall asleep. He's alive.
Experience the world premiere of the musical Goddess, where romance stirs among ancient magic in the Sweeney Afro Jazz Club in Mombasa, Kenya. Starting August 14th, tickets at berkeley.org. And PG&E customers may qualify for assistance at their local disability disaster act.
This week on Political Breakdown, as a Central Valley Assembly member, Adam Gray has often been a thorn in the side of progressive Democrats, despite sharing a party label.
We found that victim laying in the lanes of Story Road. He was later pronounced dead. An investigation is underway. Despite these recent homicides, San Jose's overall homicide rate so far this year.
About Paddington Bear, his favorite talking bear who isn't Winnie the Pooh. Answer 2 out of 3 questions right, and you'll win our prize for one of our listeners. Bill, who is Jeremy playing for?
Luce Ashby of Chicago, Illinois.
Really?
All right,
Red light!
here's your first
Whoa,
question.
go straight!
Paddington famously came to England from darkest Peru, but author Michael